Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to Praveen Kararapudi channel. In this today's session, we are going to learn double slit experiment. Double slit experiment is a demonstration that light and matter can display characteristics of both classified defined waves and particles. Now you can see here a particle gun, a screen and a plate. If you release a light from this particle gun, it flows through double slit screen and detector plate. If the electron particles goes from the double slit experiment, observe here these are two, but it forms light as various parts like this. I think you can understand it. Now observe, here is a light and put a single slit here. Means you can observe that from this light travels only in a single way. So the light travels like this in waves and put here a double slit. From this you can observe it travels this side and this side, downside and upside, you can see in the video, and these two screens appear like this in the interference pattern like this. Now you can observe the slit is kept in water and water is moved, so that you can observe the slits are differentiated in the waves. And if you also put a light on the water, you can observe this in the screen like this. I think you can understand this. But in single slit you can observe only like this structure, because it only form a single line. If you have double like this, and you can observe like these structures. I think you all can understand this. Okay, again I am repeating that if you have single structure, you can observe a single line, and you have a double structure like this, you can observe like these structures. Okay, like, share and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Praveen Karlapudi. Thank you.